This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check out the links in the description. In this video, we're going to be talking about our favorite sets of Wilton graduated cutters. These are small cutter sets. They're generally meant for working with fondant and gum paste, but I've also used them on occasion for cookies and other things as well. And as you're going through your cake decorating journey, just having a variety of sets of different shapes, things that you're going to use commonly like ovals, circles, squares, and surprisingly for me, probably the most popular one that I use would be the leaf shapes. These are just kind of a generic leaf shape. I use them all the time, whether it's just going to be a flat shape that I place directly on a cake that I'm cutting out of fondant or gum paste, or if I'm adding some extra detail with a veining tool, a press, my ball tool to make them more realistic and painting them so they look more lifelike. These have come in super, super handy, right? And then the other one, circles. Great for marking areas on the side of the cake when you're trying to pipe, or for cutting out small shapes. I use this little man all the time to make little anime eyeballs. It's probably one of the most useful ones of all. But having these sets, they do represent an investment. So typically I tell people to buy these kinds of things as you're developing projects and ideas. So you might buy one and then a year later buy another, but having them means that they're always there and you can reuse them over and over again and create your designs based on what you have on hand. So they represent a relatively small investment, but I use them constantly. They've held up really nice to the wear and tear of pretty much weekly use, and they represent a good, cheap investment to giving yourself more options to make more designs easier. If you like this video and you'd like to check out more about cake decorating materials or equipment, or just some cake decorating designs for fun, follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you're interested in checking out what yearly membership entails, go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com. And if you like these products, check out the links in the description.